Hi, this is Jenny with Simply Beautiful Crafts on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you the wreath that I started with many years ago. I made gifts for my children's teachers. You might have a friend who's a teacher, you might have children whose teachers you would like to gift with a wreath. So I started out making these and had too much fun with it. What you want to do is find a kind of ribbon that you like. This is particularly Christmas ribbon, and weave it through your finished wreath. Some ribbons have a difference on the back and some of them don't. So you want to check your ribbon out and make sure that you're putting it through consistently. I'm going to start in the back behind a joint, go over, under, over, under, all the way around your wreath. One way to measure it if you want to cut it before you use it is to put it around the outside for 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 times the size of the wreath. Weaving it in and out, checking to make sure that your ribbon stays the way you want it. It will take you about 10 to 20 minutes once you have your finished wreath and all of your embellishments. This is an opportunity to use your glue gun. You don't have to rely on white glue and wait for it to set. Once your wreath has been varnished or shellacked, the glue gun will hold things to it. Once you've made your way around your wreath with your ribbon, you want to take it on the back side and find a seam. Draw a bead of hot glue right down that seam, put it on there, hold it till it's cool, and then do the same thing with the other piece from the other end. Once you've done that, you're ready to embellish your wreath. These are buttons that I found in the craft store, and you can also find things in the scrapbooking section that are stickers. This is kind of a combination of buttons and stickers. If you're going to put something in the back, I recommend that you do that first. Turn it over, put your spots of glue, lay it on, and turn it back quickly to make sure it's exactly where you want it, because hot glue sticks very quickly and it will pull the surface of the pretzel off if you wait for it to cool. Then you want to arrange your buttons or your pieces of adornment around your wreath. And once you have them the way that you want them, simply take your hot glue gun, put it on, slip the back of it into a hole, and you're done. The last thing you want to do is to make a bow for your wreath, and also something to hang it with, whether you have a wire or a cross or a piece at the top. So now you have a special wreath for that special teacher, whether it's a friend of yours or one of your children's teachers. I hope you enjoy making a wreath for that special teacher.